In order for us to calculate the determinant of this matrix, we want to use, or we shall use, the method of cofactors. So we shall say determinant is equal to, now we shall treat this first row as scalars against which we shall multiply some matrices. I'm beginning with the first one, so we shall write it down here. We shall say determinant is equal to 1. This one is this one that we have here. Now cancel the row and the column on which it is. If we mentally cancel this row and this column, the elements that remain are -1, 0, 4, 5. Use them to form a 2 by 2 minor matrix whose determinant we are interested in. We shall have it like this. So bring this -1, write it here. This 0, you write it here. This 4, you write it here. And this 5, you write it here. These are the elements that remained when we mentally cancelled the row and the column on which this one is. After finishing that, you come to the second element here. We reverse the sign. Notice here that this one has a positive sign, so we shall now write it as -1. If it could have been -1 here, then we could have reversed the sign to +1. But now it's +1, we reverse the sign to -1. Cancel the row and the column on which this one is. So if we cancel this row and this column, the elements that remain are 2, 0, 3, 5. We use them to form a 2 by 2 minor matrix whose determinant we are interested. So we shall write 2 here, 0 here, 3 here, and then 5 here. Having exhausted that, we come to this third element. We write it maintaining its sign. So we shall write it +4. We shall write it as +4. Then mentally cancel the row and the column on which it is. If we cancel the row and the column on which it is, the elements that remain are 2, -1, 3, 4. We use them to form a 2 by 2 minor matrix whose determinant we are interested. So let's now simplify this. That will be equal to this one here. Then for us to get the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix, we take the elements in the primary diagonal, multiply them, subtract the product of elements in the secondary diagonal from it. So we shall have -1 times 5 minus 4 times 0, then -1 into 2 times 5 minus 3 times 0, then plus 4 into 2 times 4 minus 3 times -1. Simplify that further, we shall have it being equal to 1 into, this is -5 minus 0 minus 1 into 10 minus 0 plus 4 into 8 minus -1. But remember, a negative times a negative is a positive, so it is like 8 plus 3. Simplifying this further, you will have it being 1 into -5 minus 1 into 10 plus 4 into 11, which simplifies to 29. Thank you.